Shopify versus Stan Store. Which is better for dropshipping? In this video, we're breaking down Shopify and Stan Store to help you decide which platform is best for your dropshipping business. Links to both platforms are in the description below. Let's start with Shopify, one of the most popular e-commerce platforms globally. Shopify is highly versatile, offering a wide range of customizable templates, robust third-party app integrations, and powerful analytics tools. It's designed for businesses of all sizes, whether you're just starting or scaling up. With Shopify, you have complete control over your store's design and functionality, allowing you to create a unique brand experience. It also supports various payment gateways, making it easier to cater to a global audience. However, Shopify's flexibility comes at a cost. Monthly subscription fees start low, but can add up with the additional apps and themes you might need to fully optimize your store. Shopify is ideal for entrepreneurs who want a customizable, scalable platform with a wide range of tools to grow their business. On the other hand, Stan Store is a newer, more streamlined option, specifically tailored for digital entrepreneurs, including influencers, coaches, and creators who sell digital products, courses, or even consulting services. Stan Store is built for simplicity and speed, offering a straightforward, no-fuss setup process. It's an all-in-one platform where you can sell products, manage clients, and handle payments directly. One of the standout features of Stan Store is its built-in marketing tools, such as email automation and social media integrations, which are particularly useful for those who leverage their online presence to drive sales. Unlike Shopify, Stan Store doesn't require extensive customization or additional apps, which keeps costs low and operations simple. This makes it perfect for individuals who prioritize ease of use and speed over extensive customization. So which one is better for dropshipping? It depends on your business model. If you're looking for a fully customizable store with the ability to scale and grow with a large inventory of physical products, Shopify is the way to go. Its robust ecosystem and flexibility make it a powerful platform for serious e-commerce businesses. However, if you're a digital entrepreneur focused on selling digital products or services and want a quick, hassle-free setup with built-in marketing tools, Stan Store might be the better choice. It's efficient, cost-effective, and designed for those who want to start selling quickly without the steep learning curve. Ultimately, the best platform depends on your specific needs and business goals. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check the links in the description to explore these platforms further. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more e-commerce tips and reviews.